Now inside this, first we are going to start with actions and action creator. I will open this pizza folder. Inside this, I will open this pizza actions.js. So as we have already seen in Redux, directly we are not going to create the action. Instead, we are going to create action creator. So here I will write const order pizza arrow function. Inside this, I will write return, and using this action creator, I am going to return action. So here I will give type, and type I am just going to give order pizza. But directly inside this type, we are not going to pass the string. Instead, we are going to create constant for this string. So for that, I have already created pizza types.js. Inside this, I am going to define all the constant which I require for this pizza application. So here I will write const, I will write order pizza is equal to, the value will be string order pizza. So now this value I have to use inside this pizza actions.js. So first I have to export this value. Here I will write export keyword. Now I will come inside this pizza actions.js. First I have to import that order pizza. I will write import, hit enter. Now successfully I have imported order pizza. Now here, instead of passing the string value, I'm just going to give my constant. I will remove this. So what I have done, I have created action creator, which is returning action. And when our application grows bigger, I do not want to create all the constant in one file. So I have created another file. Inside this, I'm going to define the constant for this pizza application. So here I have written order pizza, for which I have assigned the value as order pizza. Now this value I have to use in another file. So I'm just going to export this value. And inside pizza actions.js, I'm going to import, and here inside this type, I will be passing that constant value. And this action creator we are going to use whenever we are going to dispatch the action. So again, in other files, we are going to use this action creator. So it is very important to export this action creator. So whenever we want to use something in another file, we should always export it. Only then we can import in other files, and we can use that variables or functions.